Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan with EXP. Out here looking at a townhouse in the Salem Lakes area of Virginia Beach, Virginia. My client is currently down in Florida right now, so we're going to be doing virtual walkthroughs and whatnot of properties she likes. Hopefully this is the last one and we can get her in it. This is a 2-story center townhouse, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1/2 bath. It has an ensuite on the primary. It's a nice house. Let's get the walkthrough done and see what it looks like for you. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thank you.